So I'm a teacher. I'm going to go through a couple of the maps that I use or create in spinscape. The first one is presentations or lessons for the class. So this is one I created on problem solving methods. These are some of the different methods, and if I hone in on one section, I can see that I have physical and mathematical models. And on the other side here we've got some more information. Now, one of the cool things about spinscape is you can create a presentation. So I can go into presentation mode here, and now I can create a slideshow of my map. And so when I'm in my class, I can capture the views that I want and show them to my class accordingly. Put a couple of them in here, and you can even set timers for the different sections. So let me capture some of these. We'll put this one because there's a lot of choices, and I'm going to go back to that main view and end it that way. Now this one has a lot of information. I'm going to set this to a longer view, and each of these ones as well, so you can set the time on these. And now I'm going to play the slideshow. So when I go through this with my class, I press play and they can see the whole thing. Or if I'm discussing it, I can just go through and hit the forward arrow and walk them through it. Let's advance to the next slide. I can discuss this. I can advance to the next one, talk about these things. I can let the class know that I'm going to go into a diagram in further detail, and that one expands for me. So it's not just a lesson, it's a presentation. Now this one is called Reading Connect to Character, and this is a map that is a lesson for the students. So it's something I can say, this is how when you read, you're going to connect to the character. I have instructions in here. It's like a resource center for the students. And it tells the different things that as you're reading and you're thinking about the characters that they should think about. And then I can share it with the students so that they have view or share or edit access. And what they can do is they can go in and edit the information or use it as a template for themselves, and they can list the different characters and fill in the blanks with notes and ideas and information. This last one is my week at a glance, and this is something I can save it as a template. And so each week I can pull up this template, and this is my class weekly schedule. Update weekly with current lessons, documents, etc. So I'm going to save that as a template. Now what I can do is I can look in here, and I have it set up so it has Monday through Friday. And if I look further on the days, I can see that I have the different subjects here, and they're color coded. Let's take a look at this side. The different subjects are color coded, special events or exercises. We've got some detail on the lessons in there. And so I can have a template and have the color-coded subjects for each day, and then when I create a new template I can go back in here and I can redate it, and then I can start to add the lessons for that week and any assignments, and then I can share it with the students. I can either bring it up as a presentation for them and show them what they're doing each day, or if I have this shared with them, then they can actually use it as a resource and take a look in here and find out what they'll be doing.